This dish is so delicious and yet so easy to make. We're going to steam some prawns on egg whites and top it up with crispy garlic. First, let's prep the prawns. Cut off the legs, eyes, this pointy tip. There's a black pouch here. Okay, you need to remove this. Then cut along the back of the prawn. Now you need to make sure you cut all the way towards the end of the tail. Now I'm going to cut deeper with a knife. Don't cut all the way through, just slightly deeper. Okay, so this green strand here is actually edible. Don't remove that. You want to remove the black vein just hidden behind the green part. We want the prawns to open up like this so that we can add the crispy garlic on top. Now let's prep the egg whites. Pour the egg whites into a bowl. Water, salt, sugar, and some Chinese rice wine. Then beat the egg whites until the ingredients are mixed well. Add napa cabbage. I'm using only the leafy part of the cabbage. Pour in the egg whites. Remove any air bubbles. And assemble the prawns on top. And season with some salt. Once the water comes to boil, okay, steam on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. It's done. Now let's make a simple sauce. 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I'm going to drizzle a bit of the sauce that we had prepped earlier. And garnish with some spring onions. And some fresh ginger. Just looks so delicious. This is so good. The dish is so fragrant. The prawns are tender and springy. It goes so well with the crispy garlic and the super soft egg whites. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.